Hello everyone! Building AI apps today can feel like learning 10 new things at once. So before we get into the demo, let's quickly connect the dots. A lot has been going on with AI over the past few years. Prompt engineering, content windows, tokens, embeddings, RAG, VectorDB, MCPS, agents, LangChain, LangGraph, Claude, Gemini, and more. If you feel the field out, this is the only video you will need to watch to catch up. But instead of just explaining these concepts one by one, I want to show you how these actually come together in a real project. But there is another problem with AI apps today. Web-coded demos can look like they work, but going live is a different challenge. Security, secrets, hosting, logs, and public access all start to matter once an app leaves your laptop. But there is one more thing people often miss. A web-coded app can look great in a demo, but going live is where security, environment variables, networking, logs, and deployment start to matter. So before we build complex AI agents, let's start with the foundation, getting a simple app running on Sealos. Because an AI app is only useful when people can actually run it, test it, and access it online. Now let's make this real with Sealos. I will start with the project name. You name it what do you want. For the image name, simplest possible example. Deploying the public container image, I choose the nginx. And I also give it a small amount of the CPU and memory and keeps it set up the lightweight. For the nginx, we don't need any environment variables, but for the real AI apps, there's where you would add model keys like an open API key. Then I deploy it. Sealos starts a container and creates a running service for me. Now the app is running. This service only has provided address inside the cluster to open it in the browser. I expose port 80 and create a public address. Once Sealos gives me public address, this container becomes a live web service. This is the basic layer behind every apps. Before agents, RAG, or MCPS can be useful, the app needs a place to run. Sealos gives you one place, deployment, networking, logs, and app management in one workspace. And once the foundation is in a place, building real AI apps becomes much easier. So that's all my sharing today. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I will answer to you as quickly as possible. Bye bye. See you next time.